In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate the user and teams section in HubSpot. Understanding these aspects is crucial for effective team management and optimizing your workspace. So let's dive in. To begin with, you need to access the HubSpot User Guide. This is your starting point for managing users and teams effectively. Open up your browser and head over to app.na2hubspot.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Look for a section that's labeled User Guide. It's usually readily accessible from the homepage, so you shouldn't have much trouble finding it. Click on it to get started. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Settings area. This is where HubSpot holds the keys to all the customizable features, including your user preferences. On the page, keep an eye out for a gear icon or the word Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your HubSpot experience. The Settings area is a powerful tool. It's the command center where you can modify configurations to make the software work best for your needs. Once you're in the settings, your focus should turn to finding the Users and Teams section. This area is crucial for managing the people who have access to your HubSpot account. Users serve as the backbone of any project, and having the right team structure in place can significantly boost productivity. So, cast your eyes down the list of options on the Settings sidebar, and you should see an option labeled Users and Teams. Click on it to continue. Inside the Users and Teams section, you'll discover an array of options. Here, you can add new users, update existing user profiles, or modify permissions to ensure everyone on your team has the access they need. No more, no less. Managing your users efficiently helps maintain security and streamlines communication within your team. Always double-check who has access to sensitive information and adjust permissions accordingly, as this can save you from potential headaches down the road. Finally, after familiarizing yourself with these settings, take a moment to explore any additional resources offered within the platform. HubSpot often provides helpful tips and detailed articles that can further enhance your management skills. The more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more competent you will become at using HubSpot to its full potential. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now ready to effectively manage users and teams in HubSpot. Remember, taking the time to understand and customize your settings can lead to a more streamlined and productive experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher on accessing and managing your user settings.